This is a short video of how to replace a license plate bulb on 2013 Volkswagen Passat. It works from 2010 to 2015, so this is a B7 model. So just get like a small flat screwdriver or something similar, and you will have to pry it. Like right here, there is an opening. So I'll try to zoom it in a bit. Just push in and then down. Okay, that will get it out. And then there is this connector here. I'll show you. You just have to push here with your fingers. I have to use both of my hands to do that. And yeah, just disconnect it. So once again, you just have to push here, right here. So once you have it out, I will show you, like, the bulb is right here. So you pull it out and install a new one.